What is the equilibrium data used in extraction systems to determine compositions and mass flow rates?
Correct. Triangular coordinates is the right answer. Which process involves the removal of solute from a solution by precipitating the solute?
Great thinking. Crystallization is the right choice.
What property is utilized to separate two miscible liquids using fractional distillation?
Well done. Boiling point is the right choice.
In a single-stage liquid-liquid extraction, what is the exiting phase rich in carrier?
Excellent. Refined is a brilliant choice.
What is the method used to separate gases when one of them can be removed chemically?
Bravo! Chemical absorption is the answer.
What is the primary measure of the degree of separation in liquid-liquid extraction?
Smart pick. Selectivity is the correct choice.
What method is used to separate a volatile substance from a non-volatile substance?
Good thinking. Distillation is the right answer.
What is the gas separation application of the Ceph membrane and Psi unit combo?
You chose hydrogen recovery and purification, and it is correct.
What is the primary mechanism for mass transfer in separation processes?
Well reasoned. Diffusion is the correct choice.
Which process involves the extraction of the vapor phase with a solvent?
Exactly. Extractive distillation makes sense and it is right choice.
What is the permeation mechanism in dense nonporous polymeric membranes?
On track. Solution diffusion is the correct answer.
What process should be used to separate an insoluble solid and a liquid?
Smart move. Filtering is an accurate answer.
What process can separate two liquids with different evaporating points?
Strong choice. Distillation is the right answer.
Which flow configuration is used in plate and frame membrane modules?
Excellent choice. Crossflow is the right answer.
Which method is used to separate a liquid from an insoluble solid?
Correct response. Filtration is the most accurate answer.
Which gas separation membranes show potential for CO2 removal?
Nicely done. Polymeric gas separation membranes is a solid answer.
Which processes are hollow fiber modules not suitable for?
Clear logic. Your choice for evaporation is sound and 100% true.
How can two immiscible liquids be effectively separated?
You got it. Your choice layer separation is right.
What method is used to separate two immiscible liquids?
Solid response. Layer separation is a valid choice.
Mayonnaise is prepared with the help of this method.
Sharp thinking. Evaporation is the right choice.
What process uses a magnet to separate materials?
Perfect. Magnetism is the correct choice.
What is the best process to separate solutions?
Right choice. Evaporation and condensation is the best answer.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Valid point. Contact Narayan Changder is true.